Transform your workspace with our commercial cleaning services. Did you know that a clean and orderly work environment can improve the efficiency of your team? At LH Maintenance Service, we understand the importance of maintaining a neat workspace, and we are here to help you achieve it. Benefits of a clean work environment improves efficiency. A clean and organized workspace allows employees to focus better on their tasks, resulting in greater productivity and efficiency. Reduces health problems. Dust accumulation can cause allergies and respiratory problems. Our cleaning services remove dust and other allergens, creating a healthier environment for your equipment. Create a good impression. A clean and well-maintained workspace always leaves a good impression on clients and visitors, reflecting the professionalism of your company. At LH Maintenance Service, we offer custom commercial cleaning services to meet your specific needs. Our team of cleaning professionals is committed to excellence and strives to provide the highest quality service. Contact us today to schedule your cleaning service and transform your workspace into a cleaner, healthier, and more productive environment.